Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 3.4 and today I will show you how you can change notification bar icons. So open notification bar, then tap right here. And as you can see, we can easily change these icons. So for example, if you want to get the nightlight right here, you have to click hold and then drag this icon. Do the same for the mobile data, for example. And if you want to remove one of these icons, just make it like that. And if you want to get additional icons, for example the focus mode, click hold and then drag it here. So as you can see, it is very simple, and in the end you can just simply go back and it will be saved. But if you want to reset the settings, click here and then tap the reset. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.